Flamingo Cancun Hotel. Flamingo Cancun Resort is a 4-star, all-inclusive hotel located in Cancun, Mexico, offering an ideal beachfront experience for families, couples, and friends. Situated along the beach in the heart of the Cancun Hotel area, the resort provides easy access to local attractions and entertainment. The resort features 249 spacious guest rooms, each warmly decorated and fully equipped to ensure comfort and safety. Guests can choose from a variety of room categories, including ideal for a romantic getaway. These suites offer direct access to the pool and terrace. Located on the executive floor, these rooms provide stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. Perfect for families, these rooms offer ample space to relax after a day of exploring. All rooms are equipped with amenities such as air conditioning, satellite TV, free Wi-Fi, and a private bathroom with toiletries. A buffet-style restaurant serving a variety of international dishes sits beside the main pool. Located at the foot of the beach, this restaurant offers delicious seafood dishes, including ceviche and lobster, with the soothing sound of the waves in the background. There is also a poolside and beachside bar, serving refreshing drinks throughout the day. Guests can enjoy a variety of facilities and activities, including 2 outdoor swimming pools with sun loungers and a bar, featuring a temazcal, jacuzzi, and massage services for relaxation. A fun area where children can engage with the entertainment team. A fitness center equipped with a variety of exercise equipment. Evening shows, non-motorized water activities such as kayaking and beach volleyball. The resort also offers event planning services, including weddings, and provides free Wi-Fi throughout the property. As of December 2024, Flamingo Cancun All-Inclusive has received mixed reviews. For reservations and more detailed information, you can visit the official Flamingo Cancun Resort website, Flamingo Cancun. Please note that reviews and ratings are subject to change. We recommend that you check the latest reviews and ratings before making a reservation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell to get notifications of our latest videos.